Welcome. My name is Daniel Boateng. We are going to look at how to play worship songs. Perhaps you are in church and you are the lead guitarist and you want to learn how to play worship. So this is what we are going to learn to play. In order to play a worship song in your various churches, there are certain things you must know. One, you must be familiar with the song that is being sung in the worship song. And then two, you must be familiar with your skills, a particular skill that you use to play your songs. So in order to not to waste your time, let's begin today's lesson. So in playing worship songs, one, you must be familiar with the song. If you don't know the lyrics of the song, there is no problem. As a guitarist, what we deal with is notes. You have to be familiar with the musical notation of the song. That is why we always tell you to make a hum when you hear a sound. Make a hum, all right, whenever you hear any sound. So for instance, this song, a Mireku song, Wuni nyamia o maye diye, Wuni nyamia o niye ko bada, Yɛda wasia ensada o, Yi waya ensada o, Yɛda wasia ensada o, Yi waya ensada o. Now, perhaps you don't know this song, you don't know the song, but after hearing this full version of the song, as a lead guitarist, you must be able to identify or make a hum of the song. So, la 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 la, la 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 la, in order to transfer that idea onto your guitar. So it's like this. Something like this. If you know or you don't know, you know the song or you don't know the song, you must be able to identify the musical notation of the worship song and then apply it on the guitar because you know your skills. Good. And then one thing that also helps in playing worship songs at church is whenever you are using guitar effect board. Yeah, it helps a lot. You can see that I am playing a clean guitar, but I have just added a delay. So if you have a combo that can add a delay in your guitar playing when playing the worship song, that's perfect. Perfect. If you don't have it, don't worry. Like I always say, try and play from your heart, not from your mind. Okay? Try and play your worship song from your heart, not your. So la 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 la, la 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 la. Okay. You can see that I have played all right. I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can add your own. I always advise you that learn what I am doing. Don't just copy. Learn, pick some ideas, and then polish it and make it your own. All right. So I am playing C major. Ooh, this is the C is here, the octave. Ooh, ooh, my oh ni nyamia oni ye ko bada Yɛda wasia ensado yiwaya ensada Yɛda wasia ensado yiwaya. Then you saw me doing this. Very simple. It is very simple. Okay, so as a beginner guitarist, your skills is very important in playing worship songs. You see, worship mostly in most Pentecostal churches, whenever you are not good at the guitar, the pastors or the elders will ask you to put down the guitar because you're going to play distortion, you're going to destroy the worship. It is a full of keyboard work. When the keyboardist is very good, you just add some few things and then you fix it in, and then you are there. But when the keyboardist is not good and you are the perfect one on the instrument, that's on the guitar, then hallelujah, you are the master on the worship. You are going to drive the Spirit of God. You are going to drive the Spirit of God in the worship song that is being played. So, one, I said, know your skills. Know your skills. If the song is played in major, know your major skills. If it is a minor, then you know your minor, and then you know whatever the musical notations, or make the hum of the notes of the song that is being sung. Okay, so you are a beginner. Do. Let me remove the delay from this thing and then let's continue. Okay, let's see. Good. Okay, it's do re ti do ti la so la 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 to la so fa mi so re re mi fa re mi re do re mi re fa mi do re mi fa mi so fa mi re do re mi do ti re do. Yeah, take your time and then digest the song in this. I am just showing it to you. I am not trying to show you that I am the best. No, I am like you. I started like you. I started suffering and then wondering how to play the worship, how to play the praises, and I was searching the internet for some of these things, but I couldn't find one. But today, God being so good, I am giving you a guidance. So know the musical notations of the song. That's simple. So if you don't have the audio of the song, it's quite unfortunately I don't have the audio, but I know how to sing the song. So let me sing. Oh ni nyamia, oh my edi, oh ni nyamia, oh ni ye ko bada. Yɛda wasia ensado yiwaya ensado Yɛda wasia ensado yiwaya ensado It is the responsibility of the keyboardist to play the chords. It's not your responsibility as a guitarist. During worship, it is the responsibility of you, the lead guitarist, to provide the embellishments that will drive the Spirit of God in the song. Okay, it's quite unfortunate I don't have a keyboardist here. It would have been much better if I have a keyboardist with me, so that I can show you truly what is in me, so that you can apply. But forgive me, in our next episode we will try to find a keyboardist, so that I will apply all the principles I'm talking about, so that you know it well. All right, so I am trying to sing and then play. So now you have noticed the difference. Have you noticed the difference? This is with no delay. It's very, very dry. Just dragging from re to mi. Do, re, mi. Okay. Another thing that will also help you is applying one major principle, one major element of music in your playing. We call it balance. We call it balance. The delay, let me put in the delay and then apply the balance. Apply the balance. D. Apply the balance. D. For delay to one. Good. All right, so balance, playing some notes very soft and playing some notes very loud. Like this. Applying one principle of music, that's an element, we call it balance. Playing some notes very soft and playing some notes very loud, it makes the worship song very, very, very spiritual. In fact, I've been using it in the Church of Pentecost where I worship. I've been using it, and whenever the spirit is very high and the room is very quiet, then you tune down your you put down the volume of your guitar very low, then you play using the balance like this while people are praying, the tones are running, then you and the keyboardist very low voice, then you are doing your thing. Then this thing I have been playing. Okay, so this is episode 1, Highlife Guitar Worship episode 1. In episode 2, we will bring a keyboardist. Then you apply all the principles and the elements whenever you are playing worship songs. So let me show you this embellishment. Then we go. I play this at the F, at the Fa. This is what I played. Fa, then La, Si, So. Okay, Fa, La, Si, So, and then I played the Mi. Okay, the Mi, Do, Mi. Okay, Mi, Do, and then this is Fi, Fa. Okay, Mi, Do, Fi, Fa. Then you end at Do. Okay, so let me sing a piece, then apply it. Uninyamia. This time I'm ending the song, so instead of Ti-Re-Do to end the song, I just Ye-Ye-Why-Ya. Then I use this to end the song. Okay, normally we use it to end a song. On this note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and then leave a comment at the comment section if you don't understand anything. This is Highlife Guitar Worship episode 1. Yɛda. Next video we will add a keyboardist and then we will sing a worship song and then apply all the elements and then the principles that I've been talking about so that you can also emulate. On this note, let's end here with today's lesson. Give a thumbs up and then we will meet for episode 2. Thank you.